here it is all taken apart. There's the badge, which came out blue with a little bit of zoom spout oil. It is in fantastic condition. No rust. Coils are in good shape. Everything is as it should be, and it is actually miraculously clean for the filter not being installed properly in there. Turn around so you can see the back. Yeah. That's gonna get some new fiberglass insulation, the sleeve. This is gonna get cleaned out, and we'll be good to go again. And we're gonna be trying some of this coil protectant on it after we clean it. Well, it's clean, but it's drying. Put coil protectant on, coil cleaner first, then coil protectant. The sleeve also got new insulation. And now the point I'm sure everyone was waiting for. We'll start it while it's opened up. Here we go. Already ice cold. Let's do it. Debating whether I paint the base pan. There is some corrosion, but it's holding up pretty good there. I don't think we're quite ready for a base pan repaint yet. I did put drain mods there, drain hose comes out of that slinger. Also debating extending that drain hose, making a hole here on top of that. That might be a little more than I'm willing to do with this today. I really thought of everything, even got a plastic cap on the fan motor shaft. So if you ever need to replace that blade or the motor, the blade pops off, no corrosion on the shaft. How genius is that? Tell me when anyone thinks of an idea like that nowadays. Alright, I've done about as much as I'm going to do with this one. It's nice and clean. New fiberglass, oiled the fan motor, cleaned the coils, put coil protectant on. We restored that badge, did a little bit of metallic paint over it to kind of blend in to some of the spots that was corroded. I could do a better job putting this cover back together, but with the new fiberglass, it didn't exactly want to fit correctly. We got a new filter in there. May be able to see it. Let me turn it on and see what it does. That's nice and icy cold air. Ice cold.